Hi guys and good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. Another day, another adventure, another vlog. We were going outside guys because we need to file our taxes for the year of I think 2023. Yes, 2023 tax guys. The deadline of the tax is April 14, but now it's 12 and today is Friday, so we need to go to the post office and process the ano tax. My husband do that every year. Okay. See you later, guys. Happy Friday, everyone. Alice Bargain Outlet. Hmm. I'm looking chocolate, guys. Yes. So very expensive lang, guys. $17. $17. Looking chocolate, guys, but the price is very high. Okay. I can afford to buy chocolate, guys. I cannot afford to buy chocolate. So expensive. No? Lot of candle over here, guys. In the jar right there. And right here. Ay, ito. Smell good. An empty jar right here. I don't know, guys. That's the price of the ano. 9.99, 99 cents. I don't know. Looking air fryer, guys. What's that? 99.99. This one 49.99. This one also 99.99. I like this color. Red. No. I think much better black, no? We replace our chopping board. I have like this guy in the house, but very stay now. So we choose this guy because two chopping board na siya guy is only $7. And this one is $5. Same? Same price. We get this like this over there. Huh? Yes? Hi guys, we're now at the house guys. Unboxing tayo guys. So, this is what I got. Door hook. The Alice store guys. From the Alice store. Ay, itlong man to guys. Shout out guys sa mga viewer and subscribers. And this one, we book the chopping board. Yes. This one. The replacement chopping board. And this one, marshmallow hot chocolate. And my husband Oreo favorite. Like this. And this one for the box. Give to my niece. And the crayons. And this is for the box. That is the Alice store guys. And we spend only $25.26. So, I'm looking chocolate guys. This one, the price of chocolate is expensive. So I'm not buying that. We need to wait if the chocolate will go down before to buy for our box. And this one we shopping in, of course, our favorite store, Salvation Army. get na only the 7 pieces. This one. Because now is going to summer na. And this one. And this one. We bought this long sleeve guys because this kind of long sleeve is good if we wear to. If I'm in the Philippines, I always wearing long sleeve. Usually I like this guy to buy ukay. This one for my nephew I give this guy. Sent to the box. Very nice. And this one for me. And this one. And that's it guys. And this one guys, we spend me only $7, 7 pieces. Because only $1 each. And that's it for today guys. Okay, bye bye guys, and see you to the next video, and God bless you all, and bye bye.